Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best, where we bring you the best home essentials that make life easier and more comfortable. Today we are talking about this little gem, the THAUSDAS Night Light. Whether you need a soft glow for your bedroom, nursery, or just a cozy corner, this touch control light might just be the perfect fit for you. Okay, so first thing first, let's take a quick look at what you get in the box. You will find the THAUSDAS Nightlight, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. No complicated setup, just charge it up and it's ready to go. Alright, let's talk about why this nightlight stands out. First off, it's touch activated. A simple tap on the top lets you turn it on or off, making it super convenient, especially at night. No more fumbling for a switch. And check this out, it has three brightness levels: low, medium, and high. Whether you need a dim glow for sleeping or a brighter light for reading, it's got you covered. But that's not all. It also has 16 colors with a color changing mode. You can set it to a solid color to match your mood or let it cycle through the colors for a relaxing ambient effect. Now, one of my favorite things about this nightlight is that it's wireless and rechargeable. It comes with a built-in battery that lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge, so you can place it anywhere. No need to keep it plugged in. It's also super lightweight, making it perfect for travel or even as a night light for kids. So, who is this night light ideal for? Honestly, anyone. It's great for bedrooms, kids' rooms, nurseries, and even for late night trips to the kitchen or bathroom. Parents will love it, and it makes a thoughtful gift too. So there you have it. The Tazda's night light is a simple and super useful gadget that adds warmth and convenience to any space. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews. See you next time.